the next day, we got up to have our early morning breakfast.
It's time to pack, guys. Dami kong bit. Day 2 pa lang tayo.
Afterwards, diretso na kami sa city center to witness today's main event.
Right now, we are in the middle of the street because Calapan is actually celebrating a festival. So, it's called Calaf Festival.
On our visit, Calapan City is celebrating the so-called Calaf Festival, which is a celebration of culture and history. History said that Calapan comes from the word Calaf, which means the process of gathering wood. And this has become an anchor of this year's Calaf Festival celebration.
Actually done here sa parade. Mali ako kanina, yung palang mga color code, those are different offices ng local government nila dito sa Calapan. Supposedly pala dapat may mga dancers, but unfortunately minove ng LGU sa Sunday yung parade ng mga parang cultural dance. That's the reason why wala tayo napanood for today. So more or less parang foundation day ng local government yun.
After the parade, we head straight at Silonay Mangrove Eco Park.
So right now nandito naman tayo sa Silonay Mangrove Eco Park.
It is located in Silonay, Calapan City and has a total area of 42 hectares with a 350-meter long boardwalk which leads to a 6-meter high tower. Mahaba-habang lakad din bago makarating dito, pero for sure, the scenic view along the way and the panoramic view of the Silonay River adjacent to the sea would be worth it.
And actually one of the problem or worries sila here is if you've heard about the oil spill, so nag-worry sila na baka mamaya umabot na dito sa area na to, kaya they're already preparing.
Balita ko, pwede ka nga ding magkayak sa river na ito or mag-put up ng mangrove planting event. According sa Bantay Dagat personal na aming nakausap, mayroon ng 17 species of mangroves na matatagpuan dito. May humigit kumulang 29 species of birds kung saan 7 dito ay endemic sa Pilipinas. Nakakita na din sila ng 2 species of bats, 5 species of reptiles and amphibians. And for sure, iba't ibang klase ng insektong naninirahan sa napakalaking mangrove site na ito.
And meron po kami dito mga livelihood, kagaya po nitong stingless honeybees. Simula lang po kami dito ng 5 colonies. Ngayon po nasa 15 to 18 colonies na po. May isa pong poisonous pero hindi naman po sa part dito. Nandun lang po siya sa ano. Bale, yung pinaka-dakta po niya, kaya po niyang nakasugat ng katawan at the same time po pag napahid mo sa mata mo, pwedeng makabuhay.
Guys, lunchtime here at Nanay Goya Restaurant.
For lunch, we went straight to Nanay Goya's restaurant. Located ito in Pinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro. Very classic Filipino ang ambience ng restaurant na ito and ang balita ko, pinupuntahan talaga ng mga turista ito for their very eclectic selection of Filipino and Asian cuisine.
Ito lang kami mag-lunch here sa Nanay Goya Restaurant here in Calapan. So, next location naman natin will be heading sa Tukuran Falls. So that's around 30 to 45 minutes away from here. So we have time to see.
Next destination naman namin ay ang Tukuran Falls. From Pinamalayan, we drove straight to San Teodoro, which is where our pickup point starts.
Bangag tayo guys kasi wala akong sa sarili. Anyway, so we'll be riding this Carabao. Usually it will take around 30 minutes going to the falls. Anyway, if meron naman kayong dalang sasakyan, there's a parking area here that you can actually use. Usually may mga bayad yun, of course. 50, 25, depende kung gano'n kalaki yung sasakyan nyo. And yung cart naman, I think it costs around 500 pesos.
On behalf of our municipal mayor, I welcome you all dito sa Tukuran Cart Association, Tukuran Cart, Carabao Cart, activity. So, dito po sa amin, sa bayan ng San Teodoro, marami rin po kami mga attractions. Hindi lamang po mga falls, but we have activities like ito pong aming cart, Carabao Cart, Carabao Drone Cart, na patok sa mga turista.
From here, we would need to ride a Carabao drone cart that will bring us to Tukuran Falls, Puerto Galera.
Galingan niya.
This is a must-experience adventure if bibisita ka ng Oriental Mindoro. The Carabao ride costs 500 pesos round trip, and it will take you around 30 to 40 minutes to reach Tukuran Falls. Along the way, the Carabao ride will also pass through around 6 to 7 rivers that actually makes the ride more exciting.
Tumae pala. Hindi pala nag-wave, tumae. Nag-fertilize ng lupa.
Siyempre sa dulo, you'll be amazed on how beautiful Tukuran Falls is.
Ayan, so nandito kami guys sa Tukuran Falls. Actually, nandun yung Tukuran Falls. Pero dito lang yung parking area ng ating mga kalabaw, ating mga cart. So kanina meron tayong parang around 5 or 6 rivers na nilagpasan. Exciting yung yung ride na yun, and each cart can accommodate up to 4 people para naman hindi masyado mahirapan yung kalabaw natin. Pagdating mo dito, meron naman ditong, I think this is a karinderya. I don't know. May entrance fee pala ng 50 pesos. Or you can bring food.
Photo muna tayo.
Tayo sa Tukuran Falls.
Ang sarap lang magbabad sa malamig na tubig lalo na't mainit ang panahon. Ingat lang din dahil madulas sa mga bato. If ever you would want to do picnic or dine around the area, may mga cottages din available surrounding the place. Di na nga ako nakatis at lumusong na nga rin tayo sa tubig.
Anong tayo nun?
Tumalon?
Pwede kayang tumalon doon?
So gusto niya raw tumalon. Ayun siya natin.
If ever na you would need to change clothes, may mga available CR din naman here where you can take a quick bath and change outfit.
We're going back dun sa drop-off point. Ang lakas ng loob ko maligo, wala tayong tuwalya. Hopefully, pagdating natin sa next destination, tuyo na tayo para hindi naman nakakahiya. Tsaka syempre sa sasakyan, dapat tuyo na tayo.
Ganun lang kasi
4:24 in the afternoon, and we still got 2 more places to visit. So come on!
Pagdating ng hapon, binisita naman namin ang ENV Farm.
We're here at one of the mushroom farms that you can actually check out here in Puerto Galera,
which is one of the many companies dito sa Oriental Mindoro that the local government is helping and pushing. Mushroom ang byproduct sila dito. And through research and creative thinking, from having one product, which is the chicharon mushroom, the product line has now expanded to producing sisig mushroom, chili garlic paste, atsara, at madami pang iba.
In fairness guys, ang sarap nung atsara at saka yung bagoong.
Personally, mahilig din ako magtanim ng mga mushroom sa bahay, and having this new idea can actually help me create new dishes out of the harvest I got at home.
Paano siya tatagal after harvest?
Ay nilalagay lang po namin siya sa chiller. Chiller. Hindi po kasi pwede siya sa refrigerator dahil yung lamig po ng refrigerator hindi po kontrolado. Pag sa chiller, pwede po natin ilagay sa pinakamababa lamang. Naglalast po siya ng 1 week.
Maliban sa mga products, ipinakita din sa amin ng may-ari ang proseso ng pag-harvest ng mga mushroom. Siyempre, dahil nagustuhan talaga natin ang mga products, ayun, napagastos patuloy tayo at napabili ng ilan sa kanilang mga produkto.
Julie, magkano po yung mushroom chips?
Shopping. Yeah. So hey guys, I'm finally back here in Tamarao Falls. So it's been a while.
Just before we checked in sa aming accommodation for tonight, we managed to still pass by the famous Tamarao Falls, which is a very iconic destination here in Puerto Galera. You can actually find just along the road.
Usually nandito rin kasi yung signage nila ng Puerto Galera just beside the Tamarao Falls. Kaya parang it's a package deal whenever visitor or guests visit Puerto Galera. well, they usually drop by here at Tamaral Falls.
From here, dumiretso kami sa tinatawag na Puerto Galera's White Beach, kung saan located ang ating accommodation for the remaining days here in Puerto Galera, ang Casa Marcos Suites. Dito na din ang ating dinner. At syempre, roommate ulit natin si Papi Jul.
Papamassage daw sila, wala kayong budget, so kayaan natin sa kanila. Tabi tayo sa pagkain. Tabi tayo sa ulam.
Dinner is already done, and now I'm going back sa kwarto.
And tomorrow is going to be a long day. Meron din akong event kasi ng hapon, so I might skip some of the activities tomorrow. But hopefully magawa ng paraan. Anyway guys, see you all again next time. Subscribe and don't forget to put a thumbs up on this video. Bye!
On our next episode,
Doing island hopping today. Diba?
Amazing!